In this quick tutorial, we'll guide you through how to add audio in CapCut on your PC. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like. It really helps. There are a few different ways you can add audio in CapCut.
First method, head to the top left of your screen and click on Audio. From there, you can choose Music. You'll see a list of available tracks. Just click Download next to the one you like. Then, hit the plus button to add it to your timeline. You can adjust the volume, trim the length, and place it exactly where you want. Second method, you can also add audio directly from your computer. Go back to the Media tab in the top left, find the audio file you want to use, and drag it into your media area. Alternatively, click Import and select the file from your computer. Once it's in your media, just drag it down to the timeline. Again, you can change the volume, trim the ends, and adjust the timing. Finally, you can also record voiceovers directly in CapCut. To do that, look to the right of your timeline and click on the microphone icon. A pop-up will appear. Choose the microphone you want to use, then click the Record button to start. As you can see, we're now recording live. When you're done, hit Stop, and the voiceover will automatically be added to your timeline. From there, you can edit, trim, and adjust it just like any other audio. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.